Today I will show you the production of this V-button paper bag. Firstly, we should put the printed roller paper as raw material into the feeder. Then the entire production process is going on: pre-cutting, side gluing, folding, side insert, and then cut off, button gluing and sealing. The whole series of actions come out of the bags in my hand.
Of course, you can also print directly on the paper bag making machine. In this case, you need to add the printing structure of the line on this machine. Another customer makes such kind of bag in my hand. You can see, before folding the paper, we need to stick the window on our paper. And such functions as printing and window pasting are optional on our equipment.
There is a lot of this machine on the market. What are our advantages compared to another company machine? Our whole machine is fully servo controlled. Totally have 6 servo motors. There are pre-cutting, the main traction, pressing, braking, big jump, and sealing. Full servo control ensures the high speed and effective operation of the machine. The whole machine adopts Germany's original electrical system, photoelectric sensor limiting automatic control system, touchscreen main machine interface, all making machine running easy and stable.